Would you like to learn some easy steps broken down step by step that you could add to your worship dance choreography? Well, I will show you coming right up. Hi, I'm Lynn Hayden with Dancing for Him Ministries. Okay, I'm going to teach you a really cool kind of a balancé sequence with 3 different steps. It's a down, up, up, down, up. So let me go back there and we'll get started. So I have my back to you so you can see it and learn it quickly and easily. So the first one is a balancé, and it's 3 steps, a 1, 2, 3. So we're just going to step to the right, and the left foot goes behind, and you go up and down. And then left, right foot goes behind, up, down. Let's try it again. Right, up, down, left, up, down. So it's really a bend both knees and straighten both legs and point your toe. Bend, up, down. Bend, up, down. And then you kind of bend your body a little bit with it. Kind of let it go a little bit, side to side. And then you reach your arms, kind of sweeping them across. It's balancé, 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 balancé. So then from there, we're going to do a soutenu turn. A soutenu is just kind of a turn kind of in place. So you go balancé, balancé, and because your right foot is free, there's no weight on your right foot, you're going to step to the right, cross your left foot over, and you just unwind, right? So let's try that again, just on the right. It's a balancé, balancé, and step right, cross the left foot over, and unwind. Let's try that same sequence to the left. Balancé, and balancé, and balancé. Step on the left, cross over, soutenu, and down. So now the arms go reach, and step to the right. Your right arm is curved. Your left arm comes to meet it, so it looks like this. Then it's going to go up over your head and do kind of a spiral around as you're turning. So you step to the right, and you cross your left leg over, and your arms circle. Then from there, your arms continue around. Your right hand comes down the center of your body, and your left hand comes here. You lunge out to the right, and then you swoop like that. So the third step is the swoop. So let's try just the soutenu swoop to the right. So we go step to the right, and cross the left foot over, arms circle over the head, and swoop. Now let's start the balancé on the left since our left foot is free. Balancé, balancé, and step left, cross your right foot over, circle your arms. So you're here. From here, you open your arms and swoop and really reach like that. So let's try both sides, right and left, from the balancé. We go balancé, balancé, soutenu, and swoop. And balancé, balancé, soutenu, and swoop. Now we're going to do triplets. It's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like a waltz. Okay, so a triplet is typically you're supposed to start in releve with your right foot behind. So you're kind of up like that. And then it's a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. So it's a bend, straight, straight, bend, straight, straight. Now, really want to, like you're being propelled in that direction. So you want to make it kind of effortless. You don't want to bob up and down too much. And so I'm going to back up here, and I'm going to go across so you can see. So, and you want to look up in the direction that you're going. So it's like you start up in releve, it's a down, up, down, up, down, up, like that. So you really want to kind of be smooth going across and really move in the direction that you're going. The other thing is you want to keep your legs equidistant. In other words, you don't want to go big, little, big, little, or, or quite the opposite. You don't want to just go, little, big, like that. So you want to try to keep your legs the same distance from one another. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And remember to hit the subscribe button and check out the description links below for more information about worship dance. God bless you.